Today unboxing is on the initial model Mazda RX-7, the Amemiya version. This is another color variant in white. I did an unboxing on my previous FD purchase in yellow. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. The Amemiya FD is exactly the same in specification, it's just another difference in color variation. However, both casting gives a totally different look and feel. And although this is a FD, I got this in white because I want to pair with my yellow version, just like the Red Sun's color scheme. Apart from not being able to roll, initial model did one of the best 164 model car in the market. Presentation wise, it's similar to the rest of the initial model release. Standard license information in Japanese and English. It's the Mazda RX-7 FD3S Amemiya version in white. The metal plate is very impressive with the engraving of the Amemiya logo. At the scale of 1:64, this casting is amazing. I always feature 164 model car in extreme close-up, and this can be easily mistaken for a 1:43 scale. The whole presentation is awesome coming from initial model, which is no surprise. Painted side mirror, realistic rear with very intricate details. The RX-7 is low with a fantastic stance, realistic 5-spokes wheel sets with disc brake, highly impressive carbon hood with the whole body in high gloss white, and this RX-7 will no doubt looks great in diecast photography. One of the highlights from initial model is the finishing are clean and sleek, alignment of the rear wing is highly accurate, and just like other bigger scales, initial model take pride in every of their casting in terms of execution. With superb craftsmanship on this 1:64 scale, detailed base in plastic with the IG logo marking, liveries on the FD are sharp and clear, and just like the yellow variant, this Amemiya FD3S in white is equally impressive and striking. Definitely one of the candidates for my top 10 favorite casting for 2020, which I'm taking time to compile to present to you. And one more job well done from initial model. Stay tuned for more initial model unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!